It's a multi-generation house which is deeply rooted with elements of nature. It is a minimalistic contemporary house. Our design philosophy is around sustainability and green building concept. Hi, this is Maanasa Vinay, Principal Architect, Brickred Design Studio. This is my husband Vinay. Today I'm going to take you around Madhura Maanasa, a Bengaluru home with tranquil courtyard heart.
For detailed chapters and ebooks, you can visit buildofy.com. I wanted this house to be named after two most important women in my life, Madhu and Maanasa. Madhu is my mother and Maanasa is my wife.
This site is located in HBR layout. It's a 40-60 plot facing north. It is surrounded with IT hubs. Since it is a north-facing site, we have large windows which are facing towards the road, where we can get a lot of natural light inside the building. This house is a G+3 structure. In the ground floor, there's ample amount of place which is for the parking, and there's a workstation and staff area. The entry is towards northeast. As soon as you enter, you see a large area which is seamlessly connecting the living, dining and kitchen spaces. There's a puja room, which is in the northeast quadrant, and there's ample amount of space in front of it, and it is facing towards courtyard. This can be utilized during function times. And there's a parents' bedroom, which is in the southwest quadrant. We are in the courtyard. As soon as you enter, you can see a large area, which is having the view of the courtyard. So there's a lot of greenery with a Buddha statue here and a background of brick cladding. These plants helps to keep the surrounding areas more cooler. There's steps which is leading from first floor to the second floor, which is around the courtyard. Once you go to the second floor, there's a bridge which connects all the three bedrooms. Once you stand on this bridge, you can see the courtyard as well as living, which gives us the visual connect. This is the kids' bedroom, and this is designed for my son Vian. So as soon as you enter, you see this low-rise bed, and there's large windows which are opening from it.
Hi, my name is Vian. This is my room. I have 2 floors, and whenever I'm bored, I could call my friends or my cousins. They could come over and we could play on the top floor. I like my floor also because it has different kind of designs.
On the third floor, once you come up, there's a mezzanine floor for the son's bedroom, where there's a double high area, and there's a double bed here, and a small play area here, and there's a large window which opens into the terrace.
The master bedroom is another place where we wanted to experiment.
This is master bedroom, which is in the southwest quadrant of the second floor. This area, we have divided it into 3 zones. That is a resting area, a study area, as well as a dressing area. The bed is facing the pop-up TV. Guest bedroom is in the south quadrant.
On the third floor, we have a recreational space which is located on the southwest quadrant. I'm a software engineer by profession. So when we decided to build a house, and having wife as an architect was an advantage for me. So we were able to collaborate. There was a lot of discussion on what needs to be done, and there was a lot of ideas as a designer she was giving. So having the concept of sustainable and green building with architecture integrated into it, and our requirement to have multi-generation house, we were able to do it a lot better and easier.
A home is a place where all memories are made. Home is a place where our heart is. A home is a place where we all want to come back to.